Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling a map in Gmail so Outlook can sync folders. This is why a map matters. It preserves labels and folder structure. Once done, generate an app password if you use two-step verification, because Outlook needs a specific credential. Now open Outlook and choose File, then Add Account to start adding your Gmail address. You'll enter your email, choose Advanced Options, and pick Manual Setup. This first phase gets the credentials and protocol chosen correctly, so the connection will be stable. Now you configure the server details. Choose a map for incoming mail to keep Gmail labels synced. Enter a map. Gmail, COM with port 993 and SSL/TLS enabled. This secures incoming traffic. For outgoing, set SMTP. Gmail, COM with port 465 using SSL or 587 with startles, either secures sending. Make sure you use your full Gmail address as the username and paste the app password if you created one. To finish, allow Outlook time to sync. Large mailboxes or many labels can take a few minutes to populate, and that's normal. Make sure you subscribe to Gmail folders you want visible and map sent, drafts, and trash to their Gmail equivalent so behavior matches your expectations. If something fails, first recheck the app password and that a map is enabled, then confirm ports and SSL settings. If tests still fail, sign out, restart Outlook, and run the add account flow again. This resolves most connection glitches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.